Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can change the language appearance on the CapCut PC. So, if you want to change all of the language display in here on your CapCut PC, you can go to the gear icon and find settings in here, and under the settings there will be this language tab. You can just tap on that, and in here you'll see there are lots of languages options that you can select for your CapCut interface or CapCut PC display. So you can just choose which one. For example, I'm going to just change it into Bahasa Indonesia here, and then after that you can click on save, and you need to change to refresh the chain. You need to restart your CapCut. So you just need to click on restart, and your CapCut PC will restarting, and after it finishes restarting, it will show the new appearance or the new language display on it. And so that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.